Kazakhstan is an extremely exciting and interesting market. It's a market who is built upon a very traditional, and allow me to say, old technology generating power. So the potential for our technology is enormous. We are able to reduce the emissions produced by these old power plants. We are able to increase the income of the companies owning these power plants, and we are able to promote the local technology centers, the local knowledge of the society in Kazakhstan and different areas of the country by bringing skills in power generation, in engineering, in electricity knowledge. If we look at our footprint in Kazakhstan, we have installed up to 40,000 kilowatts, 40 megawatts in total of power generation with Wärtsilä technology. But if we look at the potential opportunities, I would like to mention it, they are really unlimited, because today's technology is not getting the benefit from all the advances that have been happening in the last 20, 10 and 5 years. We are able to be the most flexible power generation, be the cleanest, most economic, and well, one very relevant thing is that we can do the full turnkey solution. So we don't sell equipment and somebody else is installing. We take care of the full turnkey outcome of the plant, and we can take care of the whole life cycle. So Kazakhstan can get an enormous benefit of cooperation with Wärtsilä, which we are already working. When Wärtsilä is in discussions with a country, I like to highlight that I was talking how many countries Wärtsilä is present, 176, but it's more than 180 countries that we have power solutions, energy solutions installed. And in many of those, we are talking with the country government, with the country authorities, and with the electrical authorities or the power authorities of that country, of that region. And normally, this is the outcome of a willingness to reduce the emissions, reduce the cost of electricity for the people, and increase the efficiency and the flexibility of the whole grid. So we eliminate power cuts, power shorts, lack of electricity in the regions where we are installing our solutions. We maximize clean sources of energy, and we increase the competitiveness of those countries, of those industries, and of those networks in which we install our technology. If we look at Wärtsilä's position in the market, we are one of the technology leaders in energy business and energy field. And this comes from a very strong, not only heritage, but position we have as absolutely the #1 leader in marine technologies. So 2 of every 3 ships we see in the ocean, in the sea, is using some Wärtsilä solution. That we have engines like the ones similar to the ones we use to generate electricity, but we have propellers, shaft lines, bearings, monitoring system, navigation systems, ballast water system, wastewater treatment systems, even the toilets are having special treatments and are being delivered by Wärtsilä. And in markets like cruise, which is, we can say that is probably the most sophisticated type of ships, Wärtsilä is holding the majority of the market share already for many, many years, and we will continue. And this marine leadership is bringing continuous new ideas to the energy business and new developments to the energy business. Allow me to share one example, is the hybrid ship. I mean, we're already delivering ships with engines using gas and having battery energy storage to be able to eliminate any emission when the ships are closer to the shore or closer to the ports. And that technology, that integration of batteries with our engines is something we are using in our energy business to make these hybrid plants. And examples of hybrid plants Wärtsilä is providing are bringing gas engines, solar panels, batteries, and all together creating a microgrid that is unbeatable in terms of flexibility and economics. In the energy industry, the energy market is today and I'm not going to talk about the history, about the last 200 years. If we talk about today, we are experiencing a great positive revolution in energy with the entry of solar, entry of wind, renewable sources becoming financially positive and financially doable sources of energy. And Wärtsilä is already for the last 30 years enabling wind and solar coming to the grid by means that our technology, our engine technology, and very much our gas technology is the fastest technology entering into the grid. And if I explain it in simple words, we are able to take an engine power plant that is totally shut down and stop. We can ramp up in less than 2 minutes, even sometimes less than 1 minute. And in that time, it's able to provide 100% of the electricity. Why is this so important? Because we cannot forget that solar power is only available 1/3 of the day in some places. And during the day, also there are the storms, there are clouds, and then that power is totally intermittent. The same happens with wind. If you look at the power generated by wind, is totally harmonic, is totally intermittent, variable, and the Wärtsilä technology is able to fill the gaps so that you can provide totally stable, reliable, and sustainable power to the grids. And we see Wärtsilä's role in today's energy as the enabler of renewables becoming the base load for all of us. If we look at the different sources of energy and we look at the revolution that is happening today with renewables, we are clearly moving from a extremely carbon dioxide emission society to a clean energy society, and those are great news. And if we look at the fossil fuels, gas is the cleanest fossil fuel in terms of emissions, is the cleanest in terms of production process, is extremely available, is extremely economic, and is the bridge to enable today's energy systems to bring as much renewable power as possible. So the role of gas in today's energy mix is to make sure that we maximize the power we get from the natural resources such as sun, such as wind, and as said, gas cogeneration enables you to produce the power, flexible power needed to integrate those renewables in the cleanest way, in the most economical way. And to give an example, other technologies, competing technologies like gas turbines, they require close to 30 minutes to ramp up, while our technology requires seconds. At the same time, our technology does not require gas cogeneration, does not require water for cooling. So we would solve the carbon emissions, we would solve the need of water in places where there is a big scarcity, and we would maximize the integration of renewables. That is what gas cogeneration enables. Wärtsilä is, without any doubt, a Finnish multinational, extremely global, is present in almost all the countries of this planet, and at the same time keeping very strong hold on these Finnish roots, which we can define with a couple of words like solid and reliable. And this is something that since 184 years ago, Wärtsilä was bringing solid proposals, reliable solutions, and this is what we bring. We are nobody in the market can be more proud of us than our reliability in planning, reliability in delivering, and really enormous and solid strength into innovation, into bringing new improvements, continuous developing and continuously striving for excellence. Let's not forget that Finland has, quite in a way, very big brotherhood with Kazakhstan in that sense, has a quite vast and beautiful nature, and also quite tough and complicated weather, especially in some parts of the year. And this is part of the roots of the Finnish culture, also Wärtsilä culture, that we need to be very ready to plan, we need to be very ready to predict what is going to happen, and we need to be ready never to fail or to leave a customer or a partner. We never leave a customer, and we are always making sure that our customers, our partners succeed. And that is the nature of Wärtsilä, and in a way it's the nature of Finland.